Yoga is a gateway to your true self. So when you are called to dive deeper into your practice, you're gifted with a beautiful opportunity.
An opportunity to enliven your consciousness and explore a deeper relationship with your truth.
Yoga is not just asana in preparation for meditation, but it's also a perspective of life that encompasses love, generosity, honesty, and compassion.
Yoga is a 5,000-year-old philosophy, science, and way of living. Yoga means union of mind and body, and union of self with the universe.
So if you're looking to deepen your understanding and practice of yoga, we've created a free yoga handbook to help you on your journey.
And the good news is, yes, it's completely free. All you have to do is go to bohobeautiful.life/yoga guidebook and sign up to enrich your experience today.